Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to be back doing the things I like doing, like fixing junk like this. Samsung DVD VCR combination player. It is model number DVD-V5500. The complaint on this is that the DVD player does not work. The VCR section works just fine. So let's start taking this thing apart and see what happens. I know it's been a while since I've recorded anything, and apparently I am very out of practice. As you can see here, I've already popped the top on the combination DVD VCR player, and I am starting to investigate. I also forgot to turn on some of the lights in the shop. My apologies. And as you can see here, that laser looks bright and seems to be functioning. So now I'm moving the entire laser assembly back and forth. I thought maybe it was stuck. It doesn't feel that way. It seems to move freely. Here though, I think I might be onto something, as the spindle doesn't seem to move at all. So I thought maybe now there might be a problem with that motor. And here is the entire assembly removed from the case. Here you can see the circuit board that allows power to pass through to the different motors. This is where I think I'm onto something. And now I've got continuity through one of the motors and not another one. So here is where I think a motor has failed. So now, thinking something is really off, I take out my homemade bench power supply and apply voltage to the motors individually. And to my surprise, they all work. I don't know if you can hear that. That is definitely spinning. Now I'm busting out the soldering iron because I think maybe it's having some sort of continuity issue on the board itself. I'm trying to eliminate the motors as a possible reason for the failure. And I don't think I'm on the right track anymore. Here I've removed one of the motors, the one that controls the spindle, just to prove that it is functioning. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it does function. So now I'm getting something new here. It gets a little bit of twitch and a little bit of help, and suddenly we're spinning. Well, that doesn't sound right. Now I've taken the laser assembly completely out, because now maybe I think it might be a focus issue. I'm not sure, because sometimes it sees the disc, sometimes it doesn't. And this time we're just talking about CDs. It never recognizes a DVD when I put it in. Now I am searching in vain for some kind of potentiometer to adjust this laser, and I cannot find one anywhere. Oh my god, we're playing. Well, we're spinning. And we're continuing to spin. So for some reason, the CD is spinning. I have no music. It read the table of contents, I think. It tries to load, but there is definitely no audio, and it still makes that awful noise. How about... I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it is playing. That is George Michael playing. And that time, I had to give it a little spin of the old wheel to get it going.
So it is definitely not fixed. I have gotten some life out of it, but not nearly enough. I was able to get CDs to work, kind of. DVDs, no way. Not even a hint. So what I think is happening, and this is just a theory, is that it is trying to focus and it cannot. It can see a CD because I imagine a CD is easier to identify than a DVD. So I've decided to completely replace the laser. I ordered one. It is coming from China, so who knows when it's going to get here. So when it does, I will put it in and we'll revisit this. I would like to thank everybody for tuning in. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments. I greatly appreciate any help you can offer. So until that laser comes in, I'll see you in the next one.